What's goody, what's goody, what's that? So today, you already know who it is. It's Aguilarinternational. You welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if it's your first time listening to my channel. You already know what it is. Go follow me on all my social media platforms. And shout out to my friend Letty Shop on FaceTime right now listening to me like a crazy person. But anyways, that's besides the video because today I'm gonna show you and your mama and your daddy and everyone how to make some money. Okay, it's really easy. Yeah, so like I make a lot of money. Like every single week I make a hell of a lot of money, and it's really easy, and my bank account always lit. You already know. So I'm gonna show you how to be like me and be rich and get your money. Like everybody needs some money. Money is very important in our day and age. So these are a few tips on how to get that ka-ching. Okay? So tip number one. The first tip is get a job. Okay, no, I'm joking. But for real, if you have a job, get a second job or even a third job. Shit, like go get a job at a McDonald's like I worked at Tim Hortons like night shift, and bitch, that shit paid a lot of money. So even if you have a job, go get a second job, or if you don't have a job, get your ass up, go anywhere, McDonald's, Burger King, Subway. Just go apply, and just don't apply to just one, because if you just apply to just one, most places you're just gonna work like 3 times a week. You're not gonna get that money. And if you want a lot of money, for these people who want a lot of money, if you want a lot of money, go and apply to more than one job. So definitely get a second job, do a job on weekends, and do a job on nights or overnight shifts. Just get a second job ASAP if you want that money. If you want to be broke, then stay with your job, period. But if you want more, then get a second job. That's four. I mean, choose two. Tip numero dos. Number two. So the second tip, if you want to get rich and get your money up, is sell things. It's really easy. So sell anything, like legit, you can sell anything, like anything, sell it. Go on Amazon.com. That shit is really easy. Just create an account, a business account, and you can literally sell anything that you want. Go on eBay, Kijiji if you want, if you're from Canada, and you can sell anything. Books. I sell books. I sell clothes that I don't need anymore. Just anything that you can think of, sell it. Things that you don't need, things that like you don't give a fuck about anymore, electronics. Like if you have two phones and you like your second phone, you don't need it, like just sell your second phone and you have like $100 $200. Like sell things, resell things, and you should already know. Es súper simple, y te haces dinero. You get a lot of money if you sell things. Like shit, I might sell these beats. Like hit me up if you want these beats. Like sell just anything, okay? Tip number three. It's not for everyone, but if you're like an extrovert and shit, like me, you can make a lot of money on social media. Just let's be honest. If you're an Instagrammer, you love to take pictures, you do YouTube, you do Twitter, there's a lot of businesses out there that would pay you money, and I've done this like a lot of time on my Instagram, on all my social medias. Shout out to all my social medias. Self promo. No, I'm kidding, but for real, like if you do Instagram, if you do all of these things, and you have a following at least, I'm gonna say at least 1,000 followers, like there's companies out there that will message you and will send you money to promote them. You can even have your own code. You just really have to use hashtags. So really use hashtags on your post, and the companies are gonna DM you like quick loud. They're gonna DM you. I've done this many of times. There's a bunch of like weird ass companies that DM me. Of course, you want to promote real companies, not fake ones. So be careful. But yeah, you can do a lot of money out there. But like I said, it's not for everyone. So tip number four, Bitch, if you're bored and you're about to sleep, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, okay? Listen to me. I'm talking about money. I'm talking about that money. So listen, bitch. Tip number 4, save your money. Okay? Stop like going and buying stupid stuff at the dollar store and shit. Stop spending your money in food. Like look at my body. You see my body? You see this face? Bitch is fat. You know why? Because I spend all of my money in freaking chicken nuggets. And that's why I look like this. So if you don't want to be like me, but bitch, I'm already rich, so no, I'm kidding. Don't spend your money on food. People be spending all of their money on food, on some dumb shit, on clothes that you don't need. Like, save your money, build that money up, and start investing that money. And that's how you get that real rich ass money. So yeah, stop spending that money on some dumb shit, like some dumb shit that you're not gonna use, on some just stupid shit. Okay, come, stop spending that money. Keep that money. I know it's really hard. Like, I'm not saying that I'm gonna do maybe, like, if people like this video, I'm gonna do another whole ass video on how to save your money, how to really like. I'm gonna do another video on that. But save your money. That's a big solution for getting your money up. Tip number 5, if none of these tips work, you can just get a sugar daddy. Like my friend. No, I'm kidding. Nah, I'm just joking. Like, don't sell your body, girls, boys, or whatever, who the fuck is watching. I'm joking. Don't come for me, the non-binary community anyway. But for real, I hope that this video helped you guys on how you guys can make some money and get your money up and not be one of these bum ass bitches in the streets. Nah, I'm just joking. I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. And if you want to see more of me and you like this video, just please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. It really fucking helps. And I'm gonna make more videos. And I'm really sleepy because it's currently like almost 1. No, it's like 12:30. Anyways, so it's. Oh no, oops, I said my real name. It's Aguilarinternational. You already know who it is. And thank you so much for watching. Give it a time sub, subscribe, and go follow all of my social media just down here. And that's it. Bye.